Alrighty y'all, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the Meyer's Clean Day Surface Scrub. I've been using this for, a long time. And, it's one of the best things for removing stains, I guess you could say. It's a really good all-around surface cleaner. It doesn't really have one purpose, which I like. You can kind of use it and everything. Originally when I got this, I took it home. I was thinking, okay, I'll use it to clean my countertop. But after that, I realized that it was good for pretty much everything. For a while, I did actually have a little mildew problem in the bathroom, and so it was nice to be able to sprinkle this on and clean it out. It helped to reduce it by a crazy amount. Almost so much so that it just completely disappeared, and it was just because of some simple, inexpensive powder. That's the crazy part about this. When using this, and what I will preface this with is don't use too much. Again, this is a powder, and I'm always very cautious about when I use cleaning products because, they are chemicals essentially, and what you don't want to do is use something that's going to ruin whatever it is you're trying to clean. Because it's a powder, it's very easy for this to seep into porous pieces of, furniture or pieces of your home. So don't use this on something like wood, for example, because it will seep in, it will ruin your wood, it will make it just gritty, and it will stick, and it will just totally, it will just not be a good day. So I would highly recommend not doing that. That being said, I have used it on my kitchen tiles. I've used it on their countertops. I've used it on, obviously, my bathtub, all the surfaces in my bathroom. The sink faucets, it works really well on. It cleans them up, gives them a nice shine when you're done. It works really well at getting rid of solid, surface stains. Definitely ones that are more surface stains. I would say if you are working with really gnarly stains or things that might be really sticky, I would go with Barkeeper's Friend. If anyone's familiar with, kitchen cleaning products, that's probably one of the most popular around. It's called Barkeeper's Friend. You can use it on pretty much any surface. Really good for serious stains. If you ever worked in a kitchen, you probably have used that at one point or another as well. It's really good for that kind of stuff. This is better for, I think, just more surface messes and things like that. Although it is a lot less toxic than Barkeeper's Friend, which is a great thing. This is made, and they'll tell you, with 98% natural ingredients. Also, it's cruelty-free. So, meaning it's not tested on animals, which is really nice to know. So it's a very natural product overall, which I love. I love having, or at least trying to get the most natural products for the most affordable price in my home. I don't like dealing with a lot of chemicals, and so, the fact that this is so natural is great. It is 11 ounces, so, it's fairly small, but that being said, you don't have to use a lot to actually get this going. Really, all you have to do is sprinkle a little bit on, add some water, and scrub away, and you're pretty much good to go. It doesn't leave anything discolored at all either, which is great. It really just kind of shines things up. All of the powder comes back onto your towel or whatever you're using to wipe it down with, and whatever you have should look back to new. One thing that I also really love about this is the smell. These come in different smells. This is obviously the lemon scent. It smells really nice, actually. Not like a chemical sort of lemon either, like a very natural sort of lemony smell. Which is great. Having that kind of smell in there, it just is. It makes your house feel a little more fresh. The build of this thing is nice too. It's almost kind of like a Pillsbury muffin roll, or those little rolls that refrigerator biscuit rolls. That's kind of the build of this thing. You get the little tin bottom, the kind of cardboard wrap, and then on the top you have almost what looks like spice top, so you can either pour out just a tiny bit or a lot of bits. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. I would highly recommend this for anyone who just needs a good all-around surface cleaner for very cheap. One that's natural as well. It's the Miss Meyer's Clean Day Surface Scrub, and yeah, go ahead, check it out, you guys. Alrighty, take it easy.